What if Russia has gained recognition from all parties that its military technology is unquestionable and not just exaggerated claims? How would the West react? The battle in Ukraine is intensifying with the arrival of advanced technologies that continue to develop, one of which is Russia's latest unmanned aerial vehicle, known as the ller-Whale, or Kasatka. Previously, Ukraine had already felt the impact of the Shahed or Geran 2 drones, which caused significant disruption to their defense. Ukrainian President Zelensky repeatedly mentioned these advanced drones on his social media accounts, revealing the massive destruction they caused. However, now a new threat has emerged with the arrival of the ller-Whale, which is more advanced and challenging. What's inside it? Keep your eyes on the story. The presence of Russia's newest drone has become one of the reasons why Ukraine continuously urges its allies to provide stronger air defense systems. This is because the ller-Whale is designed to counter the advanced air defense systems possessed by Ukraine and its allies. This drone has a unique ability to confuse enemy radar, as it can mimic the radar signature of larger and more expensive UAVs, such as the Geran. This UAV was developed by Aerofregat, a company in Novosibirsk, Russia. They equipped the drone with advanced technology that allows it to operate very efficiently. From an altitude of 1 to 2 kilometers, this drone is capable of sending radio signals up to 50 kilometers. This makes it a highly effective platform for controlling other drones, including kamikaze drones. The drone, equipped with artificial intelligence, can carry up to 3 kilograms of explosives and fly up to 70 kilometers, with a flight time of around 40 minutes to an hour. Most alarmingly, in its kamikaze mode, this drone can deliver its lethal payload directly to a target. With a cost much lower than that of larger drones, the ller-Whale is capable of drawing fire from enemy air defense systems and even intercepting very expensive missiles. Just imagine, with artificial intelligence and advanced technology embedded in it, this drone could become a highly dangerous weapon for Ukraine. The drone, developed by the Kulibin Club, is ready to meet and destroy the enemy at the front lines. The trend of unmanned technology development is rapidly advancing worldwide, and Russia is seizing this opportunity to confuse and conquer modern air defense systems. So, is Ukraine adequately prepared to face the threat posed by the arrival of this drone? Until now, Russia has been focusing its attention on the development of its military technology. On the other hand, the West has begun to feel uneasy. They know that if Russia continues to advance without hindrance, they could fall far behind. Not wanting to lose their advantage, Western countries have moved quickly, accelerating the development of their own technology to maintain their position on the battlefield. One of the significant achievements from the West is the emergence of the Switchblade 600 drone, an incredible innovation produced by AeroVironment, a renowned technology company. This drone introduces a unique autonomous system concept, combining a small size with an exceptionally large firepower. Its ability to strike with high precision against armored targets makes it a highly reliable weapon. The drone can destroy crucial enemy assets with minimal logistical support, making it a very efficient combat tool. However, despite its impressive features, the reliability of this drone is still in question. Who knows how durable it is on the battlefield, which is full of uncertainty. Additionally, the United States also has another weapon, the Phoenix Ghost. Although many have heard of it, its specifications remain tightly classified, even though some information about it has leaked. Not only that, other drones such as the Sheeble Camcopter S-100 and Kargu-2 are also beginning to attract attention. These killer robots have incredible capabilities in dealing with enemies with efficiency and impressive accuracy. Each of these drones adds to the long list of advanced technologies designed to dominate the modern battlefield. This shows that the development of these drones continues. They must keep evolving in order to remain competitive. While all of these technologies are glorified for their advantages, which drone technology do you prefer? Russia's or the West's? On the battlefield in Ukraine, the air defense system has quickly adapted to face new threats, particularly from drones, which are now increasingly used. These UAVs are not only fast, but also highly maneuverable, making them very difficult targets for traditional air defense systems. On Ukraine's side, there is the ZSU-23-4 Shilka, a legendary anti-aircraft vehicle originally made in the Soviet era. However, the Shilka is no longer just an outdated weapon relying on the technical advantages of the past. With careful modifications, the ZSU-23-4 has become one of the main weapons for countering UAV threats. Equipped with advanced radar and high-speed firing systems, the Shilka offers much-needed flexibility for Ukrainian forces. Its strength lies in its ability to quickly adapt to changing battlefield conditions, making it a reliable defense against the countless UAVs attacking. But Shilka isn't the only weapon Ukraine is depending on. The country also relies on Western-made systems, such as counter-rocket, artillery, and mortar, which are very effective at neutralizing UAV threats. This system is used to counter unmanned aerial attacks. Its reliability in eliminating airborne threats provides an additional layer of protection for Ukrainian forces. To counter threats at longer ranges, the West has also deployed Sky Sabre, a more advanced anti-UAV air defense system. Manufactured in the UK and already deployed in Poland, Sky Sabre can intercept UAVs at much greater distances than other systems, offering a more effective and precise solution for repelling aerial attacks. However, despite the sophistication of these systems, can Ukraine truly handle the ever-evolving UAV threat from Russia? Leave your thoughts and thanks for watching.